Welcome to our channel. Today, we'll uncover the benefits of using IPTV subscriptions. First, let's explain what IPTV is and why it's becoming increasingly popular among viewers. IPTV stands for Internet Protocol Television and streams channels through your internet connection. Now, you can forget about cable limitations and enjoy flexibility with countless channels available. To get started, head over to 2tv.store to explore fantastic IPTV subscription options. Here, you'll find a free trial subscription, allowing you to test the service before committing. Once you're at the site, choose a subscription plan that best suits your viewing preferences. After selecting your plan, follow the on-screen prompts to complete the sign-up process. Once you've signed up, download the necessary IPTV app on your compatible device. Log in using your credentials and prepare to explore the intuitive interface filled with channels. Start watching your favorite shows, movies, and sports instantly with seamless streaming experience. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to check out 2tv.store for the free trial. Enjoy streaming.